Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss on how to load fields in POS of Odoo 16. So as you can see, this is my custom module and I have already installed it. And now let me go to the backend view, that is the Python file of this module. And here as you can see that I have inherited the test.partner module and I have given the field age inside the module. So after that, you can just go to the front end and I'll show you where I have given my custom field. So as you go to the contacts here, so you have the contacts. And if you choose on one of the records, you can see the field age that I've given. And let me show you how to load field in the PO session. So I am going to load this field inside the PO session. So as the model restaurant partner is already loaded in PO session, you need not load the module or the model, but you need to load the fields that you have given as customized fields. So for that, you need to define a new class and you need to inherit the model POS session. So after inheriting POS session, here you have the function where you need to call the function and give return to the function. So here as you have seen here that you have given the field as the return for the function, and down here you can see another function that is get POS UI where you are mentioning the model to which the field belongs to, that is the rest.partners, and you have given the return here where it goes to the search params. So here you have given the search params and you have returned the field value age in that search params. So as you can see, you're passing the argument here where the search read has all the records of the model res.partner. And here, as you can see here, you have the function loader params and you need to add the model res underscore partner or the res.partner where you have given the field. As you can see that I have inherited the model res.partner and I have given the field here. So you need to specify the model here and you need to return the field. So after that, if you go to the static here, you need to create a new directory static. Inside this directory, you need to create another directory called src, and in that you need to create a directory JS where you can write your JS files. And here in the JS file, I have introduced a new constant that is the age POS global states, and I have extended the class using a arrow function. So now the global state, that is the age POS global state, which is the class that I have declared here, gets all the functions and the fields in the POS global state. Down here, I have written a asynchronous function for the process data, which has been supered using an await where the function works only after the function returns the value. And this is the name where the field is loaded, and you need to specify the model name in which you have given the custom field. So and the this value, all the values of POS session will be loaded, and we are trying to load a new custom value inside the POS session, which is getting loaded from the model. res.partner. So as you can see here that I have given a console to know whether the field is loaded in the PO session, and I'll run the code. Make sure that you have specified your JS files and other view files in the manifest. So this is how you give your JS file. Under the assets, you have the point of sale.assets and you need to specify your JS files from here. So let me go to the front end, and here let me go to the apps and upgrade my app. So after upgrading my app, if I go to the POS, that is the point of sale, and I open a new session by giving the opening amount. So I'll give the opening amount here, and I'll just refresh it. I'll refresh the session. So once you refresh it, you can see the console that you have given. And if you click on one of the consoles here, that is the values here. So it is in the form of array. And if you click on it, you can see that the field is now loaded in POS. So you can see your field, that is the custom field here, and the values here. So this is how you load a field in POS of Odoo 16. That's all for today. Thank you.